Okay guys, it's time to install these two pieces of RAM into that PC over there. Let's go do it. Okay, I just unlocked the case of my PC. And here you can see my RAM already plugged in. It's really dirty here. I'm gonna clean this up, no worries guys. But here you can see this is the new RAM that I'm installing with my other two. This is the old RAM. My motherboard has 4 sockets of RAM. I just installed this 8 gigabytes one, and then there's going to be another 8 gigabytes on the other side that's going to be installed here. It was a little bit harder because it's harder to install the one to the left than the one to the right because of this giant windmill here. I tried to get it out, but it sort of didn't work. So in the end, I'm just left with okay, fine, let's just put it in there. Okay, I installed the second RAM. Let's turn the PC on and see if it works. They're a little bit too large for my socket in here, but it says my motherboard supports DDR4, and these are DDR4. These ones are DDR4. So, I don't know, maybe it's just the cover, that's why it's so big. Maybe I didn't click it right. I'm gonna find out now. If I turn on the PC and everything will be okay, which I hope, then we're Gucci. Oof, okay guys, I almost had a heart attack. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to pressure the down here and then pressure this one. I tried pressuring on both sides at the same time and it didn't really come in that well. So I had these kind of things kind of just sticking out. So what I was supposed to do is I was supposed to pressure this one and then this one. And I did it and it finally plugged in. I had to I restarted the PC one time to check if my RAM was plugged in, and then I saw my RAM is not plugged in, and I'm like, what? Nani? And I legit almost had a heart attack. Holy shit, I can't believe it. It actually worked. Money worth it, guys. Money worth it. Let's see if it actually runs. Let's see if the RAM is actually installed. So now we're gonna see if the RAM actually reads and the PC is able to read the RAM. Tissue paper here for scientific purposes. Fucking moment of truth, please work. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. I know you can do it. I know you fucking can do it. Come on. Come on. It sounds like you're doing something. Come fucking on. No signal found. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? What if I take this fucking cable?